how to turn on or turn off missed call notifications on the iPhone 16 series. So if you happen to have received missed call but it's not showing that on your notification panel, here's what you can do. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on settings. Now in settings, you want to go all the way back to your settings page. Then we scroll down and at the bottom, tap on apps. Next, we scroll down and then tap on phone. After that, tap on notifications. And at the top here, make sure you turn on allow notifications. If you switch it off, then when you receive an incoming call, it will not show notifications. So here is an example. Okay, so I've got an incoming call, and here if I go there, swipe down, my notifications is not showing anything. If I go back in here and turn it on, I give myself a call again, and this time when I have a missed call, it will show up in my notification panel. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.